So guess who wanted to join in this turmeric mask? My little madame. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been good and I hope you've been keeping safe, especially during these times. Now, I know a lot of you might be or might not be familiar with turmeric. So basically, I'm going to give you a brief background about turmeric and the benefits of it. I think turmeric has been one of those ingredients that has been a sort of a secret. Yeah, don't tell anyone. I owned and ran a skincare company before I got married and relocated. We used to use a lot in some of our products. So basically, let's talk about the background. Now, turmeric, when incorporated or mixed in with a couple other ingredients, has been an absolute favorite in Asia. I think they basically discovered this mecca of an ingredient generations ago, and it's very, very good for your skin. It helps with a host of problems. Now, they used to use it to prepare brides before their wedding. So basically, it gives the skin that glow. The downside, which is so small compared to the benefits you're going to get from this mask, is it stains. So don't be wearing whites and don't be wearing like your fancy clothes when you're going to do this mask. This mask needs you to either just dress down or make sure you're wearing things that are not like black or things that you like your home clothes. So we're going to talk about the benefits of this mask, and then I'm going to show you how I make my own version. Now, turmeric is absolutely fantastic for the skin. It's antibacterial, it's anti-inflammatory, so it helps in taking care of any bags or any puffiness you might have under your eye area. Again, if you have dark circles, turmeric is again the gem to run to. It basically helps in lightening under your eye area, so it sort of keeps all your dark circles at bay. Now, one of the extra benefits you get is the fact that it helps with acne or acne scars. Because of the anti-bacterial benefit, it sort of discourages the formation of excess oils in your pores. Also, it is brightening and extremely glowing to the skin. So it's one of those masks that would not just give you an extra bump of that brightening effect, it also is gentle enough for you to put under your eye area, because normally with masks you can't put them under your eye area because your eye area is extremely sensitive. But because of the natural base and the natural ingredients we're going to be using in this mask, you would benefit so much from putting it under your eye area because it will help to brighten and lighten that area. So without much further ado, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I create my turmeric mask. So these are the ingredients for our turmeric mask today. We're going to be starting off with, of course, the star of the show, the turmeric. And we're also going to need some yogurt. Just got this plain yogurt. And then you also need, now if you have oily skin, then the yogurt is absolutely fine. But if you find your skin is quite dry, then you might need to substitute the yogurt for olive oil, because this helps in making sure your skin doesn't get really, really dry after you finish with the mask, because the mask is indeed quite intensive. And then here we have gram flour, which basically is like, it can be called besan flour, chickpea flour, or gram flour. And so we have that here. And also we have our honey to just make sure the mask is hydrating, and also it lends its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to the mask. And lastly, we have our lemon. So let's get started. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of besan flour. Now, the besan flour is excellent because it's got exfoliating properties as well as anti-aging properties. And then you have to be quite careful with your turmeric because it stains. So make sure you use or you wear something that is not susceptible to showing when it stains. I'm going to go on with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to pack that in. 2 tablespoons of our yogurt. That smells absolutely divine. You can use Greek yogurts, but I'm using plain yogurt now because all you want is that rich lactic acid in your mask. And then we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of our honey. Then lastly, we also will add in about 1 teaspoon of lemon. Okay, let's give all that a mix. Now, the consistency you're going for, you don't want it too runny. You want it to be able to hold its own. Just give it all a mix. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, extra turmeric. Okay, and let's give all that a mix. Now this is what your mask would look like, and let's go on with the fun part. Now if you've got an occasion, this is the perfect mask to do and apply all over your face and all over your body, and just look for a nice quiet place in the house to stay on for about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to put the mask on. Oh, I just love it. It feels nice and hydrating. Now with this mask, you can actually put it around your eye area, just because it's a natural mask, and it also helps with any inflammation you might have under your eyes. So it's one of those masks that you can actually put on your eye area. Now because of the lemon in this mask, it makes your skin hypersensitive, especially when it's you go out to the sun. So just make sure you have your sun protection when you go out, because the lemon is very good for your skin in terms of it gives you that glow, it gives you that brightening you want to your skin, but you just have to make sure that you put on your sun protection. So be careful not to get it on your brows. I'm going to put some on my neck as well, just so your neck gets some of that love. The first time I stumbled on this mask was when I was working for a spa, and we had these Balinese girls who had come to work, and so basically they were we were creating our spa menu at the time, and then we were trying out different types of masks, and they said they would like to try a traditional Balinese mask. Now the thing is, this turmeric mask is an absolute favorite in the Asian countries. So they basically created the mask right there in the spa, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so good. So you find a lot of Indian brides also use this mask as part of the preparation ceremony for their wedding. So guess who wanted to join in this turmeric mask? My little madame. So basically, leave the mask on for about 20 minutes. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes, and when it starts getting quite dry, you feel it tightening, you feel it quite getting a bit flaky. You don't want it flaking around the house. So 20 minutes, wash it off your face, and if you do find some residue or your face still has a bit of the orange tinge of the turmeric, all you need to do is use a toner or makeup wipes to just gently, don't get too abrasive on your skin, just use it gently to wipe your face off, and so I will see you later when this is washed off my face. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you try out this mask. It is absolutely perfect for the skin, and as you can see, most of the ingredients, you might have some already in your pantry, and for the others that you don't have, it's quite easy to source, but the benefits you get from it is phenomenal. So try out this mask, and don't forget to leave a comment to let me know how you get on trying this mask. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe and share it, and also give it a thumbs up. So until I come your way again, I hope you're going to be good and you're going to stay safe. Goodbye, and a toodles from me. Take care.